Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris again, and today we have a 2018 Toyota Corolla maintenance light reset. We are going to use that screen right there and this button over here. Okay, now go ahead and turn on your car without starting. As you can see, maintenance required. Now we are currently on the ODO. Make sure it's on the trip A and go ahead and use that trip button to go change it to trip A, just like that. Now when you get here, go ahead and turn off your car. Now at the same time, press and hold this button and turn on your car without starting. Give me a second and you should see the blinkers running just like that. And that is it, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.